The future of waste management is smart. In just a few years, smart devices have revolutionized the world. IoT, or the Internet of Things, is impacting nearly every single business and industry globally. In fact, 99% of all companies either maintained or increased IoT budgets in 2019. IoT is a force multiplier because it provides access to insights and functionality that were previously out of reach. Waste equipment is difficult to monitor and troubleshoot. Certain procedures can be checked by everyone. With training, others may be checked by your staff. Many of the parameters can only be checked by a technician. But all of these elements can be seamlessly and remotely monitored by iSMART. What do our customers get from iSMART technology? With thousands of units online in North America, across the retail, grocery, residential, and manufacturing sectors, iSMART has done its research on how we can help with your waste management systems. We reviewed nearly 350 service calls, totaling 620 hours. We found that 52% could have been optimized with iSMART. In some service calls, the time needed to address the issue can be reduced. And in 17% of the cases, we were able to completely eliminate the need for a service call. Another key advantage is that iSMART is designed to be proactive, eliminating unnecessary pickups with fullness monitoring. The system allows us to determine the best fullness percentage for your organization. Then a notification is sent to your hauler to schedule a pickup. Get sustainability and performance data on fullness and pickups for your entire organization or specific location. Reduce unnecessary pickups, save on resources, and reduce your carbon footprint. iSMART works by connecting your equipment to the iSMART link box, which monitors input from the Compactor and then securely transmits the details to the iSMART cloud for processing. There, the data is analyzed with our proprietary algorithms and translated into graphs and reports, giving you insights to your waste management equipment performance. And if you have multiple units, we have you covered. With regional presence, or even international. Whether you have tens, hundreds, or thousands of locations, you can find all reports and performance data in one place, providing you peace of mind anywhere, anytime. iSMART technology will help you stay ahead of the curve by making your waste system more efficient and sustainable.